Welcome children. Small recap. So this video is continuation of unit 1 meaning of income. We already seen in video 1 meaning of incompleted record, features of incompleted record, limitation of incompleted record, difference between incompleted records and double entry system. Step to be prepare statement of affair, format of statement of affair, format of statement of profit or loss. These are all the theories we already learned. Even we have to see in the format, how to draw the format of statement of affair, how to draw the format of statement of profit or loss. Even we have to work out one illustration problem, problem number 1. Already we have to work out one exercise problem number 1. So these are all the things we already learned on video 1. So this video is continuation of unit 1. So unit 1 accounts from incompleted record. So in this lesson we are going to see how to calculate missing figure. So see the illustration. So from the following detail calculate missing figure. So you have to calculate the missing figure. Illustration 1, all the information they have to given in their problem. So it is very easy to prepare a statement of profit. So you have to draw the format, you have to fill all the information, then we have to find out profit or loss. But this problem is something different. So in this problem, closing capital they are given, additional capital introduced during the year they are given, drawing during the year they are given, opening capital they are given, loss during the year, opening capital they are not given. So loss for the year ending 40,000. So in this opening capital only we are going to find out. So here opening capital is missing. This missing information only we are going to find out. So how to calculate missing figure? So while you have to compute a missing figure, you have to use this small method for calculating a missing figure. If you are using this method, it is very easily we have to find out the missing information. Whatever the information is missing, we have to easily find out through this. This is not a format. This is a simple method to find out a calculation of missing capital. So closing capital, drawing, loss. Either loss or profit they are given in your problem. Sometimes profit or loss. Either one only they are given in your problem. So closing capital, drawing, loss is a one separate form. Opening capital, additional capital, profit is a separate. So for example, if it is a closing capital is missing in the sense, if closing capital is missing in the sense, we have to closing capital missing in the sense we have to add drawing, loss, opening capital, additional capital. So either they are given loss or profit only. So if they are given a loss, then you never put this profit. So drawing, loss, opening capital, additional capital. So you have to add drawing, loss separately, opening capital, additional capital separately. After adding this, you have to find out the value. So you have to find out the highest value. From the highest value, you have to minus the lowest value. You are getting a missing information. Now, even if you are doing a problem, then you can easily understand how to calculate the missing figure. So, illustration 5, from the following detail calculate the missing figure. So, capital as on 1st April 2019 they are given 2,50,000, capital 31st 2,75,000, additional capital introduced during the year 30,000, profit for the year 30,000, profit they are given a 15,000. So, drawing during the year only you are going to find out. So, this is the illustration problem, page number 8. So, see how to calculate the missing information. So, now we are going to work out illustration 3. From the following details, calculate missing figure. So, closing capital they are given 1,90,000, additional capital introduced given 50,000, drawing during the year they are given 30,000, opening capital is missing. These missing information only we are going to find out. Loss for the year end 40,000. Either they are given a loss or profit. So in this sum they are given a loss. So if profit in the sense they are not given a loss. So either profit or loss only they are given. So in this sum they are given a loss. So while you are going to find out the missing information, you have to use the simple method to find out a missing information. See, so closing capital, drawing, loss. So here they are given closing capital is 1,90,000. So 1,90,000. So in this sum they are given a drawing also. Drawing 30,000 they are given. So you have to put the drawing here. Then loss 40,000. So likewise here opening capital we are going to find out, but they are given additional capital. Additional capital is 50,000. So 9,30,000, 1,90,000 plus 30,000, 2,20,000. So 2,20,000 plus 40,000, 2,60,000. So 2,60,000. 2,60,000. Here 50,000. So which one is the highest value? 2,60,000 is the highest value. So from the highest value we have to minus the lowest value. So 2,60,000 minus 50,000 getting a 2,10,000. So these 2,10,000 is a opening capital. This opening capital. These 2,10,000 is a opening capital. See the solution. Here we have a solution. See the solution on your page number 8. So see the answer. You are getting a 2 lakh. You are getting 2,10,000. So you are getting a 2,10,000. So capital, closing capital 1,90,000, drawing during the year 30,000. So we are getting 2,10,000 is a loss. So now we have to fill the 2,20,000, how to fill the statement of profit. So after finding the missing information, you have to fill the format like this. So you have to, I don't have a ledger book, so I have to use a unruled note. So you have to use a accountancy note. So in accountancy note you have to use this statement of profit or loss on single side. So you have to write the statement of profit or loss during the year. You have to mention the year here. So you have to write the date on a date column, write a particulars. So we have two columns, one is the inner column, another one is the outer column. So you have to use the outer column for put the amount. So first what is the statement of a format? So closing capital. So what is the amount of closing capital? Closing capital is 1,90,000. So from the closing capital you have to add, so add drawings. So you have to add a drawings. So drawing is how much? 30,000. So if you do 1,90,000 plus 30,000, how much you can get? 2,20,000. 2,20,000. So next you have to less. What you have to less? You have to less the additional capital. So even additional capital also they are given you some. How much? 50,000. 50,000. So 2,20,000 minus 50,000. You have to get a 1 lakh. How much you have to get? 1,70,000. This is called adjusted closing capital. This is called the adjusting closing capital. So first opening capital 1,90,000, you have to add a drawing. You add these things, you have to get a 2,20,000. After 2,20,000, you have to minus the additional capital. So additional capital is 50,000. So you have to minus 2,20,000 minus 50,000. You are getting a 1,70,000. This is called a adjusted closing capital. Then you have to find out the opening capital. What is the opening capital? You have find out the missing figure. So this missing figure only we have to find out. That is a opening capital. So less opening capital. So this opening capital we already find out to use this format. Okay, but this is not a format. This is the easiest method to find out the missing information. We have to use this method. So closing capital, drawing, loss. You have to add these three things separately. Then additional capital. Either here we are going to find out the opening capital. So that we have to put only additional capital. If they are given not given a loss, then you have to put a profit here. So in this sum they are given loss here. So we are going to find out the opening capital, additional capital 50,000. So I just add these three things separately. So I am getting 2,60,000. I add these things separately, I get a 50,000. So 2,60,000 minus 50,000. This is highest value, so I have to minus 2,60,000 minus 50,000. I get a 2,10,000. These 2,10,000 is called a opening capital. So already we have to use this method to find out a missing figure. So now I am going to fill this missing figure here. Opening capital is how much? 2,10,000. So it is 2,10,000. Why I just highlight this? Because this amount only we have to find out. This amount is a missing amount, so this amount only we have to find out. So opening capital 2,10,000. So I already told you. So adjusted closing capital is more than the opening capital, it is a profit. So adjusting closing capital is lesser than the opening capital is a loss. So how much the loss? Minus 40,000 is a loss. So likewise you have to calculate the missing figure. It is very easy. So if you are not even I just explain one more problem also. So if you have any doubt you can ask me. So I will clear your doubt. Again I want to explain this illustration. So this illustration is a third illustration, page number 7. So this is illustration 3, page number 7. So you take a page number 7 and illustration 3. So they are given. So we are going to find out the missing figure. So I just recall all the things. So they are given a closing capital, additional capital, drawing, but they are not given a opening capital. So these opening capital only we are going to find out. Loss also they are given. So either they loss or profit only they are given in your problem. So take your ledger note. So I don't have a ledger note, so I have to use this unruled note. So before you going to draw the statement of profit, you have to calculate this simple calculation. So you have to write working notes, or likewise you have to write. So closing capital 1,90,000, drawing 30,000, loss 40,000. So these three things you have to add separately. So you are getting 2,60,000. Likewise you have to add a additional capital. Opening capital, additional capital, loss is separately. So in this sum we are going to find out the opening capital. So I put a question mark here. So additional capital 50,000. So in this sum already they are given a loss, so they are not given a profit. So it is a loss, so I have to put here. So in here left side, it's a right side. So right side I have 50,000, left side I have a 2,60,000. So highest value, from the highest value I have to minus the lowest value, I getting at 2,10,000. These 2,10,000 is a missing information, so I just found out to use this method. So 2,10,000 opening capital I just found it. So after finding out this opening capital, I have to open a statement of profit or loss. So you have to open a statement of profit or loss on single side of your ledger note. So in date column, you have to write the date on date column. Then you have to write top of the note. You have to write the statement of profit or loss during the year. Whatever the year they are given, you have to mention here. Then particular columns, you have to write the particulars. So we have normally we have a two columns in your ledger note. One is a inner column, another one is a outer column. So you have to put this amount on a outer column, not in a inner column. If you are putting a amount in a inner column, then you won't get a mark. So you have to write the amount on a proper column. So you have to write the amount on outer column. So after draw this, write the closing capital 1,90,000. They are given your problems. You have to put 1,90,000. From closing capital, I have to add a drawing. So 1,90,000, 30,000. I get a 2,20,000. Then less additional capital, that is also they are given in your note illustration. So 50,000. So I have to minus 2,20,000 minus 50,000. I get a 1,70,000. So this is called adjusting closing capital. After minus additional capital, I get a adjusted closing capital. From the adjusting closing capital, I already find out the opening capital. So I have to put this amount here. After putting this amount, I have to find out the profit or loss. Likewise, you have to prepare the statement of profit or loss. So even if you have any doubt, you ask me, I will clear your doubt. Children, I already explained the illustration 3. So this is how calculate of missing figure. So you have to use this small method for find outing the missing information. So just to explain one more illustration. So illustration 5. From the following detail, calculate the missing figure. Capital as on 1 April 2015, 2,50,000. Capital as on 31st March 2018, 75,000. So additional capital during the year 30,000. Profit they are given 50,000. Drawing during the year question mark. So drawing only we are going to find out in this illustration 5. Already we seen the illustration 3. There we are going to find out the opening capital. But in this illustration we are going to find out the drawing during the year. So I already told you to open not a format. It is a small trick. So closing capital, drawing loss, like you have to separately opening capital, additional capital, profit separately. So see, in this sum, opening capital they are given, adjusting closing additional capital also they are given. In this sum we are getting a profit, so we have to put here. If it is a loss, we have to put in this left hand side. So profit means we have to put a right hand side. But if it is a loss in the sign, we have to put on a left hand side. So 2,50,000 is a opening capital, 30,000 is additional capital, 15,000 is a profit. So here closing capital they are given. So we are going to find out drawing. So drawing only we are going to find out. So I have to add separately these things. So 2,75,000. If you add 2,50,000, 30,000, 15,000, you are getting a 2,95,000. So you have to add three amount. All these three amount you are getting 2,95,000. If you are add this here only one amount, so 2,75,000. So this is the highest value. Highest value from the lowest value you have to minus. You are getting at 20,000. These 20,000 is a drawing. So it is a easy method to calculate. If you are calculating like this, if you are work out the working note like this, you can easily find out the profit. After find out the profit, you have to draw the format and fill up and get the answer. So 2,95,000 highest value, from the lowest value you have to minus. You are getting a 20,000. So this is a missing information. Drawing is 20,000. So if you are using you have to write the working notes here. So after working notes you have to draw the format. This is a format I already told you. Please open a format on single side of your ledger note. So you have to properly open your statement of you have to write like this only: statement of profit or loss for the year end 31st March 2018. Then date column you have to put a date, particular column you have to write like this. First opening capital 2,75,000 they are given in your problems. You have to write a 2,75,000. After put 2,75,000, now we have to find out the 20,000 is a drawing. This amount already we find out through the small method working notes. Through the working notes we have to find out the drawing. So this amount we found out through the small trick. So you have to put this amount 2,75,000, 25,000, you are getting a 2,95,000. So from the 2,95,000 you have to minus the additional capital, introduce 30,000 they are given in your problem. So you have to minus 30,000. 2,95,000 minus 30,000 you are getting a 2,65,000. So this is adjusted closing capital. So after that you have to minus the opening capital 2,50,000 you are getting a profit. So if you find out the missing information, after find out the missing information you can fill up all the entries on your format. You can easily find out the answers. So likewise you have to prepare and find out the missing information. If you have any doubt you can ask me. So work out a exercise problem. So page number So calculate, you have to work out problems. Page number 32, children listen, page number 32 you have to work out problem number 3, problem number 4 and problem number 5. So even you can try the problem number 2. So your homework, so your homework is you have to work out problem number 2, 3, 4, 5. So these 4 problem is a homework. So I just tell you page number 32, problem number 2, 3, 4, 5 as a homework. So you have to work out a homework. If you have any doubt you can ask me. So after preparing this problem you have to post it on your group. So boys and girls you have a separate group, so you have to post your assignment or homework on separate group. So if while you are posting your homework you have to mention your name at the end of the video. Thank you children. Next video we'll going to see statement of affair. So for using a statement of affair, how to calculate the profit or loss through statement of affair. So thank you children. So don't forget to work out the problems. I just even tell you page number 32, problem number 2, 3, 4, 5 is a homework. So 2, 3, 4, 5 as a homework. So you have to work out these problems and post on your WhatsApp group. So don't forget to work out the problems. Thank you children.